Hi, it's Gary. Welcome to today's video. Today, got another quiz for you. Trying a different format. This one, I call it What's the Noise? So what I've been doing is, over the past couple of weeks, I've been going around my house, getting under the wife's feet, and I've been recording various sounds around the house. There's 10 of them for you to listen to. Can you guess what the sounds are? Let's start with sound number 1. What's that noise? Have you got your guess ready? It was a kettle boiling. Here's a clip where you can actually see the picture. Sound number 2. Can you guess it? This one, it's curtains opening and closing. Here's a short clip. Sound number 3. I wonder, will this one beat you? That was me brushing my hair. I thought that would be a slightly different sound, and it certainly worked out quite well when I was recording it. Here's the clip. Noise number 4. I'll give you a hint. It's one of the most important noises in the house. Did you guess it? It's my capsule coffee maker. What's more important than coffee, especially first thing in the morning? Sound 5. What's that noise? I thought that was one of the easier ones. That's a dripping tap. Again, here's the clip. Sound 6. Again, will you be able to get this one? Did you guess it? It was my electric toothbrush. Here we go. Here's a clip. Sound number 7. Might be a tricky one, this. Did you guess that one? That's the fan running in my bedroom, and you may have noticed there's a little guest appearance by Kira, my Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Sound number 8. Tricky one, that one, isn't it? If you're into pens and jewellery, you may know it. You would have also seen it earlier on in the video. That was my ultrasonic cleaner. Here's the clip. Sound number 9. Now this one, most of us hear this on a very regular basis. Did you get that one quickly? That was water running in my shower. Again, here's a clip. The final sound, sound number 10. Can you guess this one? Did you guess it? That was a drawer opening and closing. Here's the clip. So how did you get on? How many did you get? Did you get all 10? Please drop your scores down below. Which ones did you find easy? Which ones did you find a bit awkward? I'd love to get your ideas, and I'd love to know if you'd like me to do more quizzes like this. This is actually the one I've really enjoyed doing. You know, just going around the house, and maybe it's something I can expand on over the next, few months. Maybe record stuff outside the house as well as inside. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. Every time you like, every time you comment, just helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get new videos as I release them. I'll talk to you again soon.